Hello friends. In this video we will learn the most important topic of physics, diamagnetism. What is diamagnetism? And how can we identify diamagnetic material? For that we will also learn the properties of diamagnetism. So let's start. Diamagnetism is the property of some materials to weakly repel a magnet. It means that those materials which show repulsion when we put magnet near that material are called as diamagnetic materials. You have experienced many times that magnets attract iron, and iron is attached to that magnet by putting magnet near it. What's new in diamagnetism? Why these materials repel magnetic materials? When a magnet is brought near the material, the electrons create a tiny magnetic field in the opposite direction, causing a weak repulsion. Diamagnetism has no permanent magnetic field, because all electrons are paired. You have studied in chemistry that paired electron has opposite spins, and due to that opposite spins two magnetic fields will be produced, one upward and other downward, which will cancel each other, and that's why there is no magnetic field in a diamagnetism. Let's try to learn it in a more easy way. In this you are watching that bismuth is a diamagnetic material which is weakly repelling a magnet when it comes near the diamagnetic material. Bismuth produces an opposite magnetic field and repels weakly. Not only bismuth but all diamagnetic substances do the same thing. Electrons in the material play an important role to stopping the magnetic field to pass in it. When a magnet is brought near a diamagnetic material, the magnet creates a magnetic field. The electrons in the diamagnetic material start moving slightly differently because of that field. This motion creates a tiny induced magnetic field. The induced magnetic field is opposite to the magnet's magnetic field. Opposite magnetic fields push against each other, so the material is weakly repelled. What is magnetic susceptibility? It is a measure of how easily a material becomes magnetized when it is placed in an external magnetic field. Magnetic susceptibility is negative. Examples of diamagnetism: copper, gold, water. Magnetized means a material becomes magnetic or behaves like a magnet when it is placed in a magnetic field. Most important point to remember, in a non-uniform magnetic field, a diamagnetic substance moves from the region of stronger magnetic field to the region of weaker magnetic field because it is weakly repelled by the magnetic field. Think it like this. Imagine there is a summer season and it is a full sweating on your body. Then what will you do? You will definitely move from the region of more heat to the region of less heat. So same concept is applied on diamagnetic substances. They don't like strong magnetic field and move from stronger to weaker. Now what is relative permeability? Relative permeability tells us how easily a material allows a magnetic field to pass through it compared with air or vacuum. Relative permeability of diamagnetism is slightly less than 1. Imagine magnetic field lines are like cars on a road, and road is like a diamagnetic material. Air is a normal road. Iron is a smooth highway, so the cars' magnetic field lines pass through much more easily. Magnetic field lines become less dense inside diamagnetic substance. Why this happens? When the external magnetic field reaches the material, the electrons produce a small magnetic field in the opposite direction. External magnetic field pushes in one direction. Induced field in a diamagnetic substance pushes in the opposite direction. The result is a weaker magnetic field inside the material. Therefore, the magnetic field lines are less dense inside the diamagnetic substance. See an easy example. In a room, 10 people are going. 10 out of 10 are gone to the room. This room is called air. Magnetic field lines pass in the air without any restriction. In the other hand, 7 out of 10 people are going in the room, and this room is called as diamagnetic substance. 2 guards have the duty to stop the peoples. Peoples are magnetic field lines and guards are the electrons in the diamagnetic substance. I have already told you that electrons in a diamagnetic substance will try to stop magnetic field to pass in. And that's why magnetic field lines will also become less dense. So this is the full concept of diamagnetism that I hope you have no any question now. Write all the important points. Mostly the students who cannot get acceptable marks in medical university due to not working hard. Also due to not making notes that they should. So focus on a little thing in your career journey. Finally, subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.
Like, comment, and subscribe.